In this tutorial, I'm going to be making a shop page from scratch for the WooCommerce shop pages. I'm going to be using Elementor Pro for this tutorial. To get started, I'm going to go to my dashboard, and then under Elementor, Templates, Theme Builder, I'll try the new Theme Builder, Products Archive, add a new products archive. Products archive just means the whole shop. I'm not going to use a template. Okay, so let's start by dragging the products archive widget. That just says, okay, take all of the products in your shop and display them. Okay, good. So now we have all the products in the shop displayed. You can adjust the text and items down here with this alignment, and I would recommend to use center because otherwise the text is right up against the edge of the box, and if you do padding, it adjusts the padding of the photo as well. Next, we have for the products archive, you can adjust the title size and color and typography. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to be removing some of this stuff, and you remove it with the theme. So you don't really mess with this stuff until you're ready to remove them with the theme and see how it looks. But it still shows up in the live preview. There was something else I wanted to adjust down here. Okay, the box. Background color. Give it a little bit of a background color. Okay. And that's good for now. I'll show you also we want to do the archive title. Basically this is saying take whatever type of page it is and fill in the title. If you don't want the archive title, like you're just using it for one page, like your shop, and you want to control what it says, then you just take the regular basic heading, put it in there, and call it shop, and then put an H1 on there. Don't worry about using the archive title. What this will do, like if you had a category called like yoga products, and you also use this template for your categories, then when someone went to the yoga products page, this would say category yoga products. And then when they went to your shop page, it says archives products. So this will change if you like enabled it for all of your archives. If you're just using it for one page, just use this. What I do is I make one for the shop page where I use my own, and then I make one template for all of my categories, and then so I use this because that'll adjust the categories, and then all of my category pages are consistent throughout as well. About this archive title, you can also include context when you click on it. So you don't have to. Then it just says products. So it's not going to include that archive : products. If you don't like that, you can adjust that with this little toggle. Okay, so that's it to get started on the shop page. I'm going to wait, before I do that, under here the gear settings, this is where you'd call it shop. So down at the bottom left, this little gear, you could call it shop, and then you could also make it full width Elementor if you don't have that set in your theme. Alright, so let's go ahead and save that. This is where you'd add the condition to make it your shop page, or all product archives. That's categories and shop page. Save and close. Exit. Okay, now I'm going to customize my Astra theme. So if you are running the Astra theme, you will have these options too. You go to Appearance, Customize. This is where you adjust the theme that you're running. You go to WooCommerce, Product Catalog, and right here, this is where I get rid of the ratings, the description, the cart, the category. I just got rid of all of that. And then this is where I could adjust the columns to 2. So I'll do that. Do the tablet. Do the mobile to 1. Number of products per page. Go ahead and publish that. And you'll notice, all right, let's go ahead and view this. You'll notice that one of the keys to a nice shop page isn't necessarily your developer skills. It's having nice photos for your shop page. And I use Placeit to show off the nice products that you do have. So keep that in mind. I'll leave a link in the description. But one of the keys to a nice looking shop page is not necessarily have anything to do with your developer skills. It's a lot of showing off your products nicely. The other thing I wanted to do is make this just a little bit, give it a little space to breathe, put a little padding, and so I'm going to edit template, edit with Elementor, and then now I'm going to click on the widget, style, go back down to the box, and just add a little padding bottom. Maybe 15. That'll give me a little space there. And then I'll also add a little bit of space below the title. Right here, 15. Okay, update. Now let's preview it. And then now you have a little bit more space here. I would probably make this like 10 below the title and then 15 below the 15 padding for the box. But that's getting it started for the shop page. In the next video, I'm going to show how to display the featured products and then add a little break between the products to kind of break it up so it doesn't look like all other shops, and then how to designate certain products and not just all at once, just filled in automatically. So that's on the next one. Thanks a lot for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, all that stuff if you found this at all helpful. And I was going to, thanks for watching. Find the resources below and all that.